Hello my people, I welcome now once again for this program where in name na Learn with Dash Nigeria. Ogbonge program where they teach people about Dash cryptocurrency, everything where you need know about Dash and how you fit take put up for your day-to-day activities. Iduonomena be my name. So today we will talk about the version where Dash cryptocurrency take the work and the new one where they won't do where in name na evolution. The version where Dash they use now na 0.14 before they go begin use evolution. And you get 3 features. The first one na chain lock. The second one na long living masternode quorums. The third one na long living masternode quorums instant send. It get 3 features and the first one I go talk about na chain lock. Now different ways specific take control 51% of network hash rate and if it lead to attack for the operation where they do with the blockchain. This kind of attack dey possible because the rule for blockchain talks say the longest chain na be the correct chain. It means say the person will get plenty hash rate fit go for back, go generate another longer chain wey no be the one where everybody they work with, then can go publish them. If this kind thing go happen, if it cause 3 problems: double spend, block transaction for particular address, block transaction for the whole address, and if this kind thing go happen, it go dabaru the system. And because of this kind of thing, I can make developers for Dash ecosystem come gather, sit down, think, say, which kind of solution they fit bring to this kind of problem. The next upgrade where Dash can do to be solution to that problem where I don't mention before, one of them now chain lock. Chain locks they work with what they call first seen rule. For every new block where they see for Dash, they get selected number of people where they for the master node. These quorums now people will say their own work now to sign the first block where they see. If 60% of the people where they handle the master node sign the same block, they go come send peer-to-peer message to the whole network. Then tell the node say make you not accept any other block aside the one where they don't sign. This solution is very easy for Dash because in they use 2 systems. In they use the mining process and master node process. So this chain lock where I don't talk about, they one of the ogbonge solution where Dash don't bring to prevent 51% attack. So I go talk about the second one where be long living master node quorums. If it is say too much, you fit call them LLMQs. These LLMQs now one of the better innovations where Dash do to take prevent future scalability. The way quorums they work right now say they go generate message for the whole of the whole network for them to deal with. With the user base where Dash one they use for years to come, now you make them come say chain locks no fit work anymore. So make them begin use this LLMQ method. LLMQs now ways where Dash take they reduce the number of message where quorums go send to the whole network as whole. LLMQs go see them very useful for next phase of Dash will be evolution because now you go they update end users and organizational users like merchants to fit they put their data for inside Dash drive. For evolution, people where they use Dash go fit get their information to their self. For buyers, it go be like their shipping address, while for those where they sell, it go be like their product information. This information they go store for layer of Dash will be Dash drive, and now these LLMQs now go make sure say they fit they update their information from time to time. Where they no go need wait for confirmation from on-chain. If you go know any other thing about all these new releases of Dash and the next phase will be evolution, make sure say you click the link where they down below. Till I go meet you for my next video. My name now is Wetin.